What's up, foodie fan? Chef Q here, and welcome to another episode of Chef Q's Travel Recipe. Today we are cooking up some bò cuốn lá lốt. Now, lá lốt are betel leaves. So this is actually a pretty simple dish to make and cook. I think the hardest part is actually rolling the beef up in the leaves. It might take some time, but hey, it will be worth it, you know? Now this bò cuốn lá lốt is very popular in our Vietnamese 7 beef course meal. It's one of the beef course that they serve. Now here in the States, it's pretty hard to find a restaurant that serves actual bò cuốn lá lốt with the betel leaves. They actually use grape leaves instead, but luckily for me, our family actually grew some betel leaves. Well, let's get cooking, guys.
So here are the list of ingredients. You can also check out my recipe page at ChefQstravelRecipe.com for the full list of instructions. For the ground beef, I got the regular 80% lean and 20% fat. In addition, I also asked the butcher to ground up 2 pounds of ribeye. You also need some pork fat. This is actually a key ingredient in this bò lá lốt dish. There's a lot of mincing in this dish. We'll need to finely mince the lemongrass, as well as the shallot, garlic, white onions, and about 10 to 12 betel leaves. And last but not least, finely mince the pork fat. Oh, and also some coarsely pounded roasted peanut. In a big mixing bowl, add both of our beef along with the pork fat. Add in all of our mince, lemongrass, shallot, garlic, white onions, and betel leaves. About 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, about 1 teaspoon of our peanuts, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown or white sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken granulated seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to bind the meat together, and mix well. Place the meat on the rough side of the leaf. Roll from the tip of the leaf to the stem. Poke a hole and use the stem to hold in place. Pan fry that one piece and taste it. Then you can adjust your seasoning accordingly, either more oyster sauce, sugar, or chicken granulated. To speed up the process, I usually lay out a few leaves, put the meat on top, and roll a few at a time. Place it in a line like this. I skewer about 5 to 6 pieces per skewer. I definitely recommend you guys grilling this over charcoal, but since everybody in my family is pretty hungry, so I had to do this in a pan. But with this, you can actually pan fry it in a non-stick pan with just a little bit of oil. For the dipping sauce, I definitely recommend you guys to use mắm nêm. Here's the mắm nêm recipe clip taken from our other recipe video. So we are going to start out by making the mắm nêm dipping sauce. You will need 1 bottle of mắm nêm, which is the Vietnamese fermented fish sauce, half to 1 clove of chopped garlic, Thai chili peppers, about 1 to 2 limes, half of a pineapple, or you can use the canned pineapple, and some sugar. And either water or, in my case, I use coconut juice. So blend up the pineapple, garlic, and chili. You can add some water into it or coconut juice for a better blend. Next, put that in a bowl and combine that with the fermented fish sauce. Add in the sugar. Here, I put around 6 to 8 tablespoons, but depending on how sweet your pineapple is and how salty your brand of fermented fish sauce is, you can adjust the sugar level to your taste. Squeeze in the lime. Add in the coconut juice or water to dilute the saltiness. Adjust to your taste. Today I'm serving this up with our vermicelli noodle sheets, along with lettuce, mint, and pickled onions. Top these off with our crushed peanuts, fried shallots, and green onion oil.
So we eat this with salad, all the mints and cucumbers. Of course, the vermicelli sheets here. And of course, you have to eat this with mắm nêm. Oh, this is how you eat it, guys. Peanut, cucumbers. Got mint, vermicelli. You put one of these rolls in. Oh, cái này có thể dùng, you can use rice paper to roll this up, but we're using just lettuce. Oh, these peppers are just for show, okay? Just for pictures. Got some cucumbers. There should be pickled daikon and carrots too, but we didn't make it today, so.
Well, that's it for our recipe video today, guys. Thanks for watching this short and easy bò cuốn Lolot recipe video. Make sure to check out all my other recipe videos, and if you're looking for a written recipe, visit my website at ChefQs travelrecipe.com.
Roll this up. Oh, shoot. Ta-da! I eat this with mắm nêm sauce. Cheers.